Okay. Watch what happens when I put it in the reverse. Oh shit. Oh, it's going. See, but then does this. Ah, no, no, no. Okay, see? See? Then it stops. Alright, alright, alright. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Oh. Okay. Alright. I'm afraid to go anywhere. I'm afraid to move. I go anywhere, I'll freaking... Oh shit. See? Right. This is what keeps happening. Every time I take it out of park and put it into gear, it dies on me. Right, alright. Let's go. Let's get out of here, yo. See? Why is it doing that? See, guys, this is why I need help. Who's gonna come down and help me? No! Don't die! Come on, come on, come on, come on. No, 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 no. Oh, shit. And we got 60 test braided fishing line right now. Getting my throttle to work. How about that? Yeah. And my buddy's fighting over a freaking spring yesterday. That's ridiculous. Oh, shit, 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 shit. You hear that? Gunfire, yo. This thing's got gunfire. Why am I backfiring? Man. I'm going through it, yo. I don't even know if I have enough gas in this car anymore. It was on a full freaking tank when this shit happened. I got so many damn leaks, I don't know what the hell's going on. So when I take it out of park and put it into reverse or even drive, like, it just conks out. Like, I don't get it. Like, fuel... Something to do with the fuel. My fuel injectors. I don't even know. no, no, no. What is going on? That doesn't sound good. Doesn't sound good. Probably almost out of gas. Wow. Damn. I don't know what's going on. Damn, I almost sound like I'm out of gas. Son of a bitch. Good thing I'm broke down at a gas station. My gas station. And I got a gas can. Ah. Oh, I don't even think I'll make it to a gas pump, to be honest with you. Alright, let's try to put it in reverse. Shut up! It didn't die. Ah! Oh, it died. Oh, Lord. Right, here we go. Here we go. Oh, oh, oh. Come on, come on, come on. Damn. Oh, I think I'm out of gas. Son of a bitch. Come on. Oh, shit. Swear to God. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, I swear. I swear, I swear, I swear. just gonna go get gas in a gas can, and I'm just gonna fucking put gas in it and just beat around the bush. Like, I ain't messing with this. Freaking whatever.